Guys, you are watching Safety First, and in this video we will solve task number 2 for 28th October 2020 Nebosh OBE. The purpose of video to give you an understanding about how to attempt the question, how to solve the question, how to formulate the question, how to attempt the question. So the question is task number 2, role and responsibilities. So again, very good things. Nebosh already provided guidelines from which part question has been asked, its roles and responsibilities. For a health and safety management system to work properly, you need to have clear roles and responsibility. So comment on the evidence from the scenario that would contribute to the effectiveness of the role and responsibilities. So guys, in this to answer this question, we have to prove each and everybody roles and responsibility from the scenario, and we have to write down like as I mentioned. So in first we will discuss about the organization roles and responsibilities. So I have discussed this into 3 points. For any organization, its moral and legal duty to care about employees' health and safety and any other personnel having chance of being affected by its activities. Organization must take appropriate action to achieve this. In scenario, organization has maintained world-class health and safety cultures. Your that organization is fully effectively organization is fulfilling effectively its moral and legal responsibilities. Employer must control effectively any hazardous things having risk of injury or health illness for workplace workers and others surrounding workplace. From scenario, we got the risk assessment incident and near miss record is maintained in well manner is a reflection of responsible behavior of organization toward health and safety. Workplace risk should be well communicated at workplace, and worker should be given instruction and training to deal with risk. As per scenario, organization has motivated workers with clear documented responsibility, which is evidence of effectiveness of mentioned responsibilities. So now the management's role and its responsibility in the organization given in scenario. Give health and safety proper direction for understanding and implementation. In scenario, clear internal and external communication channel is built. Workers welcome to raise their issue and suggestion. Frequent auditing system is defined. Training and written instructions frequently provided to workers shows management commitment toward their responsibilities. Set health and safety as a top priority by knowing the responsibility of personnel under his authority and ensure they are proper equipped, like fixed tank blockage. Corporate management meeting is called to find solution and is an indication management effectiveness of responsibility from the management. Responsible to conduct risk assessment over hazardous activity. Proper risk assessment is being done under the supervision of senior engineers, indicates management responsible behavior. Define procedure, actions, rules and regulation to achieve HEC objective. The engineer introduces proposed modification method and leads the risk assessment, shows evidence of taking responsibilities. Responsible to give written instruction to employees regarding work method related potential hazards and precautions. Summary of risk assessment is circulated to all workers who might be affected, and permit of work system is issued to contractor as evidence of effectiveness of responsibilities. Responsible to ensure competence and training of all workers and contractors. Contractor worker given with induction and permit to work, which is evidence of effectiveness of responsibility inside the organization. So the next is safety representative roles and responsibility. Should be up to date with the knowledge of health and safety. As per scenarios, safety representative escalate talks protecting technical issue to senior management is evident he is up to date and knows his authority limits. Have proper understanding of business hazards and their operational risk involved. Safety representative uh, is has an idea what the problem is, but he consult with senior management is evidence he is having understanding of hazard in process. All previous accident and incident data should be recorded. All accident and incident data is recorded in organization, which is evidence of effectiveness of role and responsibility inside the organization. So workers roles and responsibilities. Responsible to take care of their health and safety and action which can be harming to anyone else. In the given organization, workers are aware of their documented responsibility as an evidence for the effectiveness of roles and responsibility inside the organization. Cooperation with employer to ensure safety culture in the organization. Worker wants continuously improve in their roles is an evidence of the effectiveness of roles and responsibilities inside the organization. Reporting reporting incident and near misses to safety representative. Organization listen to worker when they raise issues of worker morale is high, and reporting incident near misses, which is an evidence for the effectiveness of the roles and responsibilities inside the organization. So guys, this question was a bit lengthy, so if you conclude these all points, its count is almost 18. So these are enough points. Even you can write less points at this is 10 mark question. So hope this will be helping for you to attempt your future question for the understanding of answer and for creating theme of the answer for your upcoming exam. So thanks for watching. For more videos, please subscribe my channel Safety First. Thank you very much.